YouTube. We're back. We had about 3 weeks from our last trip, but I think we have 4 out of 5 weekends coming up here. I don't know if you noticed, I shaved. Dawn and I noticed in the last video that it was getting awfully long, hairs pointing out in all directions. Here's a picture of what Madison and I did before I shaved it all off, just to get a reaction from Dawn. So did you happen to look at that intro? The weather in North Carolina is crazy. I promise you, in about a 15-mile span, I turned the windshield wipers on and off 6, 7, 8 times. I mean, we went from completely dry conditions to pouring down rain to completely dry to pouring down rain, probably 4 or 5 times in a 10 or 15 mile period. It was absolutely crazy. I mean, at some point, you could barely even see. Hey, Saturday morning. We were gonna put some cinnamon buns on the Blackstone. Dawn was watching some videos of people doing it, so we are going to give it a try. We're in our same spot that we've been in, gosh, 3, 4 times now. It's kind of nice because you come right down this road here and shoot right into your spot. And then we're close to the indoor pool, and then the outdoor pool, and the splash pad are out that way. Quick walk. So we were at the pool back there for a little while, but it's a little cloudy, so it's chilly out with the wind. We're gonna go have some ice cream. They do have the splash zone open there, and the splash zone open back here. But with no sun out, it's chilly. I mean, it's not freezing out, it's warm out. But getting wet is a whole different story. So we'll go have some ice cream. Man, their homemade ice cream is so good. This is PB&J, and I mean, it's just vanilla ice cream, but look at that. Just filled with peanut butter and jelly. And there's Maddie and her friend. Would you guys get Purple Cow? They got double scoops. The adult got a single scoop. Got the charcoal going, getting ready for lunch. Grill's ready. Food's on. Lunch is served. Looks like the sun's peeking through. This right here is exactly why I say there's never a reason to change your plans. They've been calling for rain all weekend long. We had a little bit on the, well, a lot on the ride here. And it rained a little bit last night. But it's ended up beautiful today. Sun's even out now, and clouds are clearing up. Turned out great. You see me squinting from the sun. And heck, really tell you the truth, earlier when it was a nice breeze and cloudy, it actually was better than now. It's getting daggone hot out here now. So we're taking a little break under the canopy. Weather's not bad, not sunny, but nice and cool. And it's probably time to crack open a Yuengling. Here we are. Nothing like an afternoon brew. I'll be asleep by 6. Gonna head over and see what the girls are doing at the pool now. I think they just did that M&M, some sort of M&M game. So we'll go see what they're doing. Well, our storm-free day may be coming to an end. It's looking pretty dark back there. That's okay, because we're getting ready to head under this big cover back here to do another chocolate event. Dawn went over to get the girls, so we're going to be heading over here. Now, I'm looking in the camera here, and it doesn't look nearly as bad in the camera. Man, it's dark. It's really dark in person. They're gonna find the M&Ms and then put them to the side in the whipped cream. So after all those dark skies, it's finally happening. Starting to rain some. Well, it's already pretty much stopped raining. You can see, I mean, heck, it didn't even get the ground wet. It evaporated pretty quickly, but I'm trying to catch up with Dawn and the girls. They're heading to another event over here, so we'll see what they're doing. We're making chocolate slime now.
That is cool, making glue and paint makes slime.
Here's Maddie's chocolate slime. All right, evening's here. Just Dawn's trying to get out of the camera. Just going for a little walk, keep up the exercise. Then we're gonna head back to the camper and relax under the stars. Nice weather, cool breeze. I got out of the pool about an hour and a half ago and was actually chilly. It was so cool out. I think we're gonna, what did you say?
Candy bar bingo at 8:45.
8:45 tonight. We're gonna head over to the main area there and do candy bar bingo. And then we'll head in for the night, head out tomorrow, and then back at it. What is that?
Thursday, Carolina Pines.
Carolina Pines on Thursday for Labor Day weekend. Got a fire going. It's a cool breeze. Just gonna chill for a while here. Anyone have any of these before? 100 calorie skinny freeze vodka martinis. Comes in a tube. They look like ice pops. I'm gonna try the apple teeny. Apple vodka. Hey, good Sunday morning. We're packing up to get out of here. I plugged in for cable TV, and we didn't turn the TV on once. But that's a good thing. You're supposed to be camping, right? So I finally decided to hook up a T. Can't really tell right there. But put a T in the line there, and that way I got a secondary hose. It's got a little more pressure to it for whatever purpose, cleaning things off. We got this hose here, and it's kind of nice because you got hot and cold water. But with the standard garden hose, you get a little bit higher pressure, and then we can hook it up into the black tank, get the black tank flush going. I used to unhook one hose and then hook up another, and it was a pain. So it makes it a little bit easier. I'm hoping that I can get the Python there into that milk crate. Kind of tame it a little bit. But we will see. I'm going to try that today. We're just going to hang out here for a little while, maybe go over and get that little all-you-can-eat breakfast that's very inexpensive. Let the kids sleep in some. And then we'll be heading out. So there you have it, Chocolate Lovers Weekend. It was a nice weekend. Wasn't real sunny the whole time, but that's okay. It got nice and cool and breezy, so it was nice to be outside. If you look back there, there's no camper. We ended up dropping it off at a storage unit. We rented it for the month. We got 2 more trips here, Carolina Pines and KOA and Myrtle Beach in the next 3 weeks. So we can save gas, we can save wear and tear on the truck, and it's just an easier drive home. It's about 2 hours to home, so 2 more trips, that's 8 hours worth of driving that we don't have to do with the camper on the back. Is what, $50 for the month. So that's it. We'll see you in 4 days at Carolina Pines, and then after that it's KOA Appreciation Weekend, so we get a free night, so we'll just pay 1 night to stay at the KOA. Well, as always, like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the notifications bell. And we will see you in 4 days at the new RV park in Conway, Carolina Pines. Bye now. Madison's back there, but you can't see her. There she is.